All right, here's a question where they're asking you what the characteristics of, or the function of each one of the letters in a general transformation are. Okay, so they say which letter in the general formula of a parabola, which is here, determines whether the graph opens up or down. Okay, generally I like to look at these as matching. So A and D, those affect Y values, and B and C both affect X values. Okay, then A and B are similar in that they stretch things. So they stretch the graph out. And A, let me do it in blue. So A stretches things vertically, whereas B stretches things horizontally. Another thing that A and B also do is that they reflect things on the X or the Y axis. And A reflects things on the X axis. So reflect on X axis. And that's the thing that will turn a graph up or down. So for example, if I have y is equal to x squared, that graph looks like that. If I have y equals negative x squared, and notice that that's out front, so that's in the A spot, the graph opens downward. So for this question, to know which letter determines whether the graph opens up or down, it's A. Now just to finish off what I was doing, B, if B is negative, so this is, if it's negative, it reflects on the x-axis. If B is negative, it reflects on the y-axis. Okay, so say, for instance, I have a graph that looks like this. It's a funny looking graph. But for it to reflect on the y-axis, it would look like that. Okay, so it just flips over this y-axis. And then C moves things to the left or to the right, and D moves things up or down. That's just a quick review of what those letters do to transform a parabola, so a quadratic function, or any function, including logarithm and exponential ones that we're looking at now.